Yeah, man. Big up. Lion foot all the time, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, good message him selling up. Enfield St. Mary.
Cranmel district.
I'm not going to be the same way.
Cranmel, you know
Yeah.
Cranmel,
Yeah, man. No problem, man. Respect, man.
Pick up the whole of St. Mary.
Yeah, man.
Stop the crime.
Stop the crime and stop the killing and stop killing women and the pit them. I will love Jamaica and I see it. I'm not like the vibes that are going on there. So I say right now, big up Jamaica, man, and stop the crime, stop killing people. And keep subscribe to Lion Foot. That the man I do the work.
Yeah.
Yes, my brother. Respect you, sir.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yo, blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and lion. I speak up myself. I don't know Lion Foot for I see the image of your voice. You say give thanks to life. Another day, you know what I mean? Yes, give thanks to the rising. Life is the greatest. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. Yeah, man, look out for the single. Life is the greatest. See? Yes, man. Give thanks to life. Anyone that will love and blessings. You know why? So we keep it real on the back of the field. Snowfall, you know. Don't even can see it. Snowfall. It was heavy this morning, but look, water come wash it away. You know what I mean? Snowfall, so you can see on the cars. You see what I say? Yes, snow. You see it? Ice. Yeah, man. It's falling right now as I'm talking and walking. But you know, we give thanks for the snow, give thanks for the rainfall, give thanks for the sun. Give thanks to life, just be grateful. Anyone there across the world, my viewers and subscribers, my fellow Jamaicans out there upon the island. Stay strong and firm in our mind. Don't bow out or sell out. Don't give up on the battlefield. See? Yeah, the richer get richer, the poorer get poorer. So, that's what the faith, man. One day the table will turn, things will get better. You see me? That's what Bujo say, you see it? So I want to talk about a look at few things this morning as I come off of the school run. I'm heading to the gym right now. You see me? White shadow. Now forward, now place. Here come sample the snow. But they like the rain, you know. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man. First, we talk about bounty killer and the police them. Police and the soldier we have fight. And also some protesters, business places were burned down to ashes. You see what I say? Don't forget to like and share the content, you know, subscribe. And check out my new single. You wanna give me a bun. Who feels it knows. See, what heap of songs we have out there, you see me? Not because you see right on YouTube. We just do this to help push the music and my friend them music and anybody music coming on. You know? I know Lion Foot work already, but yeah. First, condolence to Angel Doulas again, Papa. Finally laid his son to rest. You know his son was taken up by some soldiers in the December day, New Year's. Some salute did go on and the police them say he was one of them. Me don't know, them don't know, but anyway, people that say them the youth just dead and he was the unlucky one, you see me? And them plant the gun and blah blah blah. You see it? But at the end of the day I want to say rest in peace, General, young soldier, young Doulas. You see it? And yeah. You see me? So you go, you see me? It's not nice to lose a loved one, you see it? Especially your child, where you know you're bringing to the world, or your mother, or your father, or whatever. Could have your best friend too, you see me? Yeah, man, so after the funeral now, we see the general post on him Instagram and thing and say, yeah, him daddy, I pay him last respect to him, Godson, you know? And thing. And then we see our next video going viral again with the general and the police them. Killer cuss the police them and blah blah blah. You don't know why, like maybe a car must have brought down or something, but the police them pull up. And you don't know, the general never easy upon them, you see me? And things were said and word are exchanged and I don't know what the general will say. I hope not get execute. You see me? Like the police must say prosecutor or something and the general bounty killer said. I hope not get execute and blah blah. I never really like support that out there still because I don't know at the end of the day. Thanks. Hi, morning. At the end of the day it's the law, you have to respect the law, you know. You have to obey the law. You're not above the law. And sometimes the police do them job. It's not easy, you know, you have to let them do their job. You know what I mean? Whatever them pull up for, whatever reason them pull up for, me think if we just let them do them job and none of them escalate the situation and treat them with no respect. And we don't know the police and the soldier them, they get no respect in Jamaica. Rightly so, some of them abuse the law and some are try to do them job. So let me know if you agree with me. For me, I don't support the general panel one day. I think him could have got easy. So let me know in the comment section below. See? Next now I want to talk about the police and the soldier we have fight. So anyway, some barriers go on. Them say like some drive-by go on and you see me? I see all of the video them in there, but I just don't feel like for post them on my platform. I just feel like for going to talk. You see it? Yeah, so I know enough found me a seat already, you see me? So I just want you to tell me if you don't agree with me or whatever. Share an opinion in the comment section. So the barrier go on, them say drive-by go on and you know the soldier them there. Put up the barriers them for like stop and search or whatever. And the police pull up in a pro box and move the barrier without asking questions, you see me? So now we see them the soldier chuck the police on several occasions and the people them start video and say, this is a video. You know, so in these days everything off the caught on camera right now, you see me? So the soldier chuck the police and blah 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 and me the soldier say, yo, you feel like if you respect him, you know, cheer police, you like you know, respect the law, you're above the law. No. Barriers are there, you stop, you come out, identify yourself and ask questions. You see me? That's the way it goes. If you're police, CID or what, you come out, stop, identify yourself and ask questions and then maybe you would have been let through easily and go on about your business, but because you use blue force, me a police and listen, you see me? Yeah, so I think the police wrong and maybe the soldier wrong also for chuck him too. I know them could attack it out, you know, we don't support violence, you see me? So maybe the soldier could have hold him composure still, but we don't know what was said and what was, you know what I mean? In between and thing, you see me? Maybe the police still a chat tough while they move the barrier. Them still a chat tough, you see me? But the police wrong, you see me? And the soldier wrong for putting man on the police. So let me know one thing, you see me? Police and soldier them feel work together, come together for fight crime and you know solve and dissolve situations, not to escalate it. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So last now we want to talk about we want to talk about a few people, business places were burnt down yesterday. You see me? After we see the protests are going on. The protests happened on Monday, I think, for new road and water. No water, struggling for water, and I know it's an ongoing or current situation in Jamaica over the years. You see me? You see them call my mother, and my mother said, "Why, my son? Look, water just come on if you turn it on to fill up the drum there." You see me? And I just saw, you know, Jamaica need different need to develop infrastructure wise, water wise and everything there, but I don't know. We have never built in one day, you see? Yeah, so some of those protesters, I saw a big a video with fire, you know, huge fire, and it was said that, allegedly said that the people them, about a couple of the people them who were protesting, their business places were later burnt down after the protests. So we don't know if for the protests why it happened or should them apply pressure upon the Prime Minister because election is coming up. You see me why that happened, why them business places were burnt down? They don't know Lion Foot no support that. You see me? And this is one of the reasons why people stay silent in Jamaica. When them know any information for work with the police or whatever, them stay silent because it come like there's no freedom of speech and you know. So I don't know why, if that's the reason why them business places get burnt down, you see me? Yeah. That's it, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think in the comment section. That's the thing there, is it? All the love and respect. Big up on yourself for lion foot. We say live good, peace, love, honor, human. You see me I say? Love. I'm out.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love nice because me been hungry. Because the gonna let you me shot and ground in a shame for that.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.